Hello dear children, very good morning to all of you. How are you dear children? I hope you all are doing well at home. Children, today I welcoming you all to standard 2 literature class. Kindly all of you open chapter 5. I hope you all get ready with your literature book and open quickly chapter 5 on page number 57. Okay, and today I am going to teach you a beautiful story, and this story name is The King and the Spider. Okay, children, so let's start the chapter. You all of you listen to me carefully. Once upon a time there was a king. He had fought many battles and won. He was a wise, brave, and kind ruler. People were very happy in his kingdom. Children, do you know battles? Battles means a battle is a fight between two countries using weapons like swords or guns. So, what happened? Once upon a time there was a king. He had fought many battles and won. He was a wise, he is very intelligent and brave and kind ruler, and people were very happy in his kingdom. Once a neighboring king attacked his country. The king lost the battle. Many of his soldiers were killed and others ran away to save their lives. The king himself had to hide in a cave. So once what happened? Once a neighboring king, neighboring means nearby, next to. Once a neighboring king, nearby king attacked his country, whose king's country. And attacked means try to hurt or defeat. And the king lost the battle, and many of his soldiers were killed and others ran away to save their lives, and the king himself had to hide in a cave. Cave means a large hole in the side of a mountain. So turn the page, children. Next we will see what happened. He was very sad and worried. One day he saw a spider going up the wall of his cave. So one day the king saw a spider going up the wall of his cave. It climbed a little but slipped and fell down. It tried again and fell again. The king thought, this little spider is trying so hard, but will it succeed? The spider did not give up. It kept on trying and still kept falling. And the spider did not give up. It is trying and again it is trying. It kept on trying and still kept falling. This happened many times. At last it succeeded, and finally the spider succeeded. The king said to himself, if this spider, a small creature can succeed in climbing the wall by trying again and again, why can't I defeat my enemies too? And from the spider the king learned that if this little creature, spider, and see children, this is a web of spider, can succeed in climbing the wall by trying again and again, why can't I defeat my enemies too? The king got his confidence back. He united his soldiers once again and attacked his enemy. The battle continued for many days and finally he defeated his enemy. So children, Succeeded means if you succeed, you get something that you have been trying to get. Enemies means here the country that he is fighting with. Confidence means being sure. Children, in this story, the moral we learn from this story is try till you succeed. So never give up, children. Always failure is there, but you never give up. You try, but finally you will be succeed. From this short story we learn so many things. Okay, so never give up. Okay children, you write down these word meanings in the literature copy, and you learn these word meanings and read this chapter again and again for better understanding. Thank you.